So this is your right. And my feet will be off the camera just till the first step. So we're in a V shape with our feet and releasing the soft tissue, pouring under the earth. And then there's a nice rising opening of the body into song. Sitting down slightly, float the ball up and drop it down, drawing the letter U. Draw into your dantian. Step to your corner. Follow step. Leisurely tying the coat. Now release those elbows. Step forward. Follow step. Expand. Come back. Little lateral step. Carry the ball. Single whip. Keep your nose over your dantian. Don't look at your hand. Now release. Swoop. Right hand up. Step. Parallel press. Open and close. Brush knee, play the lute to your left. Parry and punch. Step. I'm taking very small steps. I don't want to go off the screen. Punch. Release. Drop the elbows down. Press. Open and close. Little lateral step left. Single whip. Don't look at the hand. Swoop down. Waving hands in clouds to your right. Brush knee. Parry and punch. Step through. Step through. Two fists. Follow step, punch. Single whip. Waving hands left. Cross the wrist, weight shift left, step back. Float, untie. Everything settles. Now. All right, well, let's do our parry and punch. So we'll do brush knee, play the lute, And I would like to see, actually, that whole sequence. Okay, and that way I can kind of watch it too. Oh, you're doing it with me already. Okay, here we go. You ready? So we'll brush knee to your right. So remember, it's the bottom arm that's sort of the pendulum. It swings, follow step. All right, right there, everyone, I need you to check that front arm and your bottom arm. Okay, so I see a few overly extended, some too close. Nothing changes here, my brush knee. The only thing that changes is the little bit of the Queen's wave. A little bit of the spiral from here to here and matching my body. And this one spirals a little bit. So they both spiral, but I'm not changing my arms. So we come here. And then there's that bellow. So we rotate. When you step on the bellow, remember, it's like the air going through your body. Poof, a little tiny press into the marshmallow with your hand. And even out here with your arm. So it's a bit of expansion. So we turn, follow step. I say deliver, expand. That. And the expansion comes from the back foot through, whoosh, through the scapula. We can even just imagine it's the scapula, because you're kind of focused on the arm and you're doing the expansion with the arm, but it's the whole line. My follow step presses on the bellow. The air then, this is just a metaphor, goes through the body, then from my scapula out to the laogong, the point on my hand. Look, the car doesn't move until you push the accelerator. So expansion doesn't happen until I press the bellow. Okay, good. Now let's move on. We'll do the whole sequence. So, step, when you follow step, poof, a little expansion. That expansion allows you to reach a little bit, step back, play the lute, follow step, let the elbows release. They're like your kickstands. Then we turn the hands, turn the foot. We step through, imagine the back of the sacrum driving the elbow. Rotate the hands. The back of this sacrum drives this elbow. Whoosh. 2 fists. Now follow step, and when you press the bellow, that's as the fist comes across. Release it, step back, drop the elbows. Step forward, press the bellow, expand. Rotate. Do the other side, same thing. Step. As you press the bellow, expand. Reach a little bit, step back. Weight shift, follow step, release the elbows. Adjust your hands and your foot. Now the sacrum, the back of your sacrum pushes your elbow. Whoosh. Rotate. Elbow, sacrum. Pushes the elbow. 2 fists. Follow step, press the bellow, then follow through. Press, receive, let the elbows drop. And follow step, expand. Coming back to the front, open and close. We'll do it one more time to this side now. Follow step, expand. Leads into play the lute. Drop the elbows, settle. Rotate. Sacrum elbow. Rotate. Sacrum elbow. 2 fists. Press the bellow. Fist goes out. Step back, drop the elbows. Forward, press the bellow, expand. I know, we'll do this one too to balance it out. Follow step, expand. Play the lute, settle the elbows. Adjust, sacrum, elbow. Adjust, sacrum, elbow. 2 fists. As press the bellow, then the fist. Elbows settle. Pivot to the front. Open. Close. Now feel the mass of your body in the space all around you. And float your body in that space. And imagine you can release every bit of soft tissue, letting it hang on your skeleton while the skeleton elongates and opens. And one more time, feeling the mass of your body and how it occupies the space around you. And in that space is this high frequency energy. Allow that energy to flow into your mind for peace and tranquility. And into your heart for joy and gratitude. And throughout every cell of your body for healing, resilience, and immunity.